Hey guys, welcome to another Pips Pastry video. Today we're going to be making a chocolate pistachio brownie. So let's get started. So the first thing we're going to want to do is melt our butter and chocolate together over a double boiler or bain-marie for the brownie layer. After that's melted, we'll whisk eggs and sugar together until fully combined. Then we can add the melted butter and chocolate to the egg sugar mixture, mixing until there are no visible streaks. Next we can add our flour, cocoa powder, and a pinch of sea salt, mixing until we have our brownie batter. Once done, pour the batter into a lined 6 by 3 inch pastry ring or 15 by 7.5 centimeter pastry ring and bake it at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. For the pistachio crunch layer, we'll begin by making a caramel. Once done, we can add some pistachios and let them cool before taking half of the caramelized pistachios and blending them to a smooth butter. The rest we will chop into fine pieces. Then over a bain-marie, we will melt white chocolate before combining it with the blended nut butter and pistachio pieces. This will then be spread atop the baked and cooled brownie. You will want to keep this in the fridge for 1 to 2 hours or until the pistachio crunch layer is set. The final layer is the ganache. For that we will melt milk chocolate over a bain-marie. Meanwhile, we'll also heat cream to steam before mixing the two to form the ganache. Once this is fully combined, we can pour it atop the layered brownie and pop any air bubbles. Then place the brownie in the fridge overnight for the ganache to set. In the meantime, we can make a paper piping bag. You will want to fold a piece of parchment paper into an elongated triangle and then cut it along the seam with a knife. Next, fold the shortest end toward the middle and pull it toward you to make a point before wrapping the rest around, carefully pulling until you have a nice pointed end. Fold the excess paper into the cone. It's that simple. Once the ganache is set, you can melt some chocolate and use the paper piping bag to pipe some decorative lines on top. Any extra pistachios can be cut in half and also used to garnish. And here it is, a delicious chocolate pistachio brownie. Hope you guys liked it. If you did enjoy this video, please make sure to like it and subscribe to the Pips Pastry Shop channel for more how-to baking and pastry videos. For more access to my step-by-step recipes, you can visit my Patreon page at Pips Pastry Shop channel, or you can click the link in the description box below. Until next time, bye!